Hello, I'm Jim Reid-Anderson, Chairman, President, CEO, and Master Chef of Six Flags, where we're cooking up a sensational selection of Michelin star thrills for the 2020 season. Unlike those loud, swearing British TV chefs, all we're cooking up for you is wholesome fun and delicious goodies. And of course, we'll be dishing out a new attraction at each and every Six Flags park. So let's get cooking. We're gonna add a couple of these for speed. And let's not forget some of this for spin. And how about a healthy measure of gravity? Oh my goodness! That's right, it's the perfect recipe for thrills, and it's coming your way in 2020. Let's spice it up this year by putting some of that amazing Six Flags magic sauce onto every single part of this incredible meal. Oh, wow! Bam! That's fire. Now we're cooking. Okay, time for the big news. Let's take a special sneak peek at what's on our menu at the Six Flags parks for 2020.
Thanks, Jim. Looks like the menu for 2020 is going to feature incredible new rides at every Six Flags park. Coming to Six Flags Great Adventure, the Jersey Devil Coaster, the world's tallest, fastest, longest single rail coaster with 3,000 feet of diabolically twisted track and a zero gravity roll. This is one smoking ride.
Whoa!
At Six Flags Over Georgia, riders will feel the lash of Catwoman whip and taste the venom of Poison Ivy Toxic Twister in the all-new Gotham City. Coming to Six Flags Great America, the world's tallest water coaster, Tsunami Surge, with 3 gravity-defying uphill blasts and 5 breathtaking drops. And south of the border in Mexico City, the new Crazanity will add its own kind of spice. Swing and spin 17 stories high at speeds up to 75 miles an hour as you soar on the world's tallest pendulum ride. Meanwhile, Wahoo Wave is crashing ashore at Six Flags Darien Lake. And Six Flags Over Texas is getting ready for Aquaman Power Wave, the first water coaster of its kind in North America. Reach speeds over 60 miles an hour as you dive 13 stories straight down, launching across 700 feet of watery track with a massive splashdown finale. Coming to the Great Escape, soaring above the park at over 50 miles an hour, the Adirondack Outlaw. And at Canada's Laurent, get ready for Vipère, a venomous vertical spinning coaster and over-the-top adventure. While Six Flags New England will be serving up the new Supergirl Sky Flyer. Six Flags means water fun too, and we're proud to add our name to Magic Waters. Now Hurricane Harbor Rockford, featuring the new water slide Tidal Wave. Coming to Hurricane Harbor Phoenix, the new Paradise Island, a whole new area featuring a 12,000 square foot family activity pool. And speaking of wet, Hurricane Harbor Arlington will be getting an all-new slide complex called Bonsai Pipeline. At Georgia's Six Flags Whitewater, get ready for Python Plunge, a 5-story, 500-foot twisting flume that snakes its way to a splash landing. And Whitewater Bay is now Hurricane Harbor, Oklahoma City, where we're ramping up the action with side-by-side excitement of Wahoo Racer. All in all, it looks like 2020 is going to be bigger, better, and wetter than ever. Right, Jim? 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 And things are looking up, way up, at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, with the new Daredevil Dive flying machines. Take flight on the world's tallest ride of its kind, with aerobatic dogfights and full aerial inversions at nearly 50 feet in the air. Get ready for a wild, venomous ride on Discovery Kingdom's new Sidewinder Safari. And be on the lookout for Catwoman Whip, coming to Six Flags St. Louis, while Six Flags America issues an all-points bulletin for Harley Quinn Spin Sanity. As always, Six Flags Fright Fest gets bigger and scarier each and every year. And of course, the holidays just wouldn't be the same without the magic and lights of Six Flags Holiday in the Park.
I am so excited about our amazing smorgasbord of goodies in 2020. It is definitely our best lineup of new rides ever. So bring your appetite for adventure and get ready to sample the kind of pulse-pounding innovation and thrills that only Six Flags can offer. As master chef of fun, working alongside thousands of other brilliant colleagues dedicated to whipping up a tantalizing year of thrills, I look forward to seeing you all very soon at a Six Flags park. Bon appetit! Six Flags is the greatest theme park company in the world. Innovation is in our. That's why we have the absolute rides of any company anywhere. Does that work?
Excellent.
Okay.